Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove or add a card on Temu.com. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So now once you are logged into your Temu account, you want to go ahead and hold it on this account, and after that scroll down until you see your profile. You want to go ahead and click on it. Now once you are on your profile, you want to go ahead and click on your payment methods, and right there you can go ahead and click on add a debit card, so or a credit card. So you can add all of these. As you can see, you enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and of course your billing address, and that's pretty much it how you add it. The same goes with removing it. You will remove it from here. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.